So while we do quality control inspect your vehicle throughout the entire repair process, we're getting ready to do like our final quality control inspection, which is also when we do the final cleanup, where our goal is to give your vehicle back to you looking better than when you dropped it off. So, Danny, what are some things we're going to cover during this quality control inspection so that people can have a peace of mind when they pick up their vehicle from us?
Yeah, so we're gonna check the fit and finish of everything. We're gonna check the functions of all your systems, like the clocks, the lighting, the horns, making sure that all the electronics work properly in your vehicle. We're gonna reset anything, maybe after disconnecting the battery, make sure that everything's working on your vehicle properly. Lastly, we're gonna touch the paint, make sure that there's no imperfections in the paint. If so, we're gonna get that corrected. Once all that is done, we're going to do a test drive, make sure that the vehicle's operating as intended. And once that all is complete, we're going to do a final wash of your vehicle to make sure it's ready for pickup. Stay tuned for that next call, and we'll get your car picked up. If you found today's tip helpful, please hit that thumbs up button and share the video with your family and friends. Comment below for any future suggestions.
These videos are made possible by the Society of Collision Repair Specialists. SCRS and their members are committed to the future of the collision repair industry and serving you, the consumer, well. For more information, visit scrs.com or use the link in the description below.